Good morning students, how are you? Today we learn about step deviation method. That is our third method for finding the value of mean, and the method name is step deviation method. For step deviation method, the first two columns are same. The first column is class interval and second column is frequency. For third column, the column name is xi, and you know how to find the value of xi. We can plus both the limit and divide by 2, that is 125, 150, 200, divide by 2, 175, 225, 275, 325. The next column is di, and in last class we learned about how to find the value of di. The formula of di is xi minus a. A means you can assume the first number, means 125. अब इस 125 को आप सारी वैल्यू में से माइनस कर दोगे. 125 माइनस 125 0, 175 माइनस 125 50, 100, 150, 200. These things we have already learned in our last lecture. Now the next column is ui, and the formula of ui is di upon h. Now what is the value of h? The value. Now the main question is, what is the value of h? For finding the value of h, you just check the column of di, and after the value of 0 you have the value of h. मीन्स 0 के बाद जो भी नंबर लिखा रहेगा वो आपके h की वैल्यू होगी. डिफरेंट बुक्स में डिफरेंट मेथड डिफाइंड है h की वैल्यू फाइंड करने के लिए, बट फॉर सिंपल एंड इजी कैलकुलेशन 0 के बाद जो भी वैल्यू रहेगी वो आपकी h की वैल्यू रहेगी. नाउ वी कैन डिवाइड ऑल दिस वैल्यू विद द हेल्प ऑफ h, मीन्स 50. 0 डिवाइडेड बाय एनीथिंग, दैट इज 0. 50 डिवाइडेड बाय 50, 1. 100 divided by 50, 2. 150 divided by 50, 3. 200 divided by 54. मीन्स h की वैल्यू का यूज करके आपको di में डिवाइड करना है. नाउ द लास्ट कॉलम is fi ui. You can multiply fi with ui. 4 multiply 0, 0. 5 multiply 1, 5. 12 multiply 2, 24. 2 multiply 3, 6. 2 multiply 4, 8. Now you can sum the column of fi ui and sum the column of fi. So here the sum is 25 and the sum is 43. Now we see the formula of mean for step deviation method, that is x bar is equal to a plus summation fi ui upon summation fi multiply h. Now put all the values. A means you can assume 125 for finding the value of di, fi ui 43, fi 25, h 50. अब आप आपकी कन्वीनियंस के अकॉर्डिंग इसे सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. 25 50, 125 प्लस 43 इंटू 2, x bar is equal to 125, 43 इंटू 2, 86. Now you can add both the number, that is your answer. Just remember one thing. With the use of all these methods, means we have learned three methods: simple method or direct method, assume mean method or step deviation method. The answer will be same in all the three methods.